A very good afternoon to everyone. Very happy to be here to be part of the initiative taken by CISF. Once I was told, I was like, IPL is generally very busy. That's why I'm in my practice attire. I said, whatever time I'll get, I'll make sure I'm here. Some water. Plus, you have some water. Catching is still good. If I talk about the initiative, India has a very long coastline, and throughout, there's always been some kind of awareness about our coastal security.
Sure.
But this is like a mega event where, the cyclists, they're covering full East Coast. One team is covering the West Coast and creating awareness about the coastal security. It's such a big and long coastline. To man every part, even with the Coast Guard, Navy and the police, it's very difficult. So the initiative is to tell all the citizens, if you see anything that is slightly unusual, please inform the authorities, because all of us, we can contribute. We are part of the society, so the security of the society depends on all of us. So I would like to congratulate CISF for taking this initiative, and, almost 75% of the journey is over. Thanks to all the cyclists, it's a big effort. But it's good to see them smiling, sitting over here. Another 700-800 kilometers to go. So all the very best for that. Have a nice time. Have a good summer. Now the summer vacations will also start. So, have a lot of fun. So, Whistle Podu, thanks a lot for having me.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. ரொம்ப நன்றி.
So next batch எல்லாருமே கை தட்டலாமே. எவ்வளவு அழகான ஒரு விஷயம் வந்து அச்சீவ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அவங்க அழகா ஒரு போட்டோ ஷூட் பண்ணும்போது நீங்க கை தட்டி என்கரேஜ் பண்ணலாம். எப்படி I'm requesting everybody put your hands together. அவங்க கீழே இறங்குற வரைக்கும் யாருமே கை தட்டி ஸ்டாப் பண்ணக்கூடாது. அவங்க அவ்வளோ கிலோமீட்டர்ஸ் வந்து ஓட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ நம்மளால ஒரு 5 நிமிஷம் கை தட்டலாம். எப்படி எல்லாருமே கை தட்டலாமா? பலத்த கை தட்டி கொடுங்க. And if some music is playing, we'll be very very happy. I'm requesting